Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Installing TensorFlow in Anaconda is straightforward and beginner friendly. Here's a step-by-step guide to get TensorFlow working in your Conda environment. So let's get started. TensorFlow is an open source library developed by Google. It is mainly used to build and train machine learning models, especially deep learning ones like neural network. It is called TensorFlow because it works with tensors, which are fancy multidimensional arrays, and it flows data through a graph of operations. Using TensorFlow, you can create smart systems that do things like recognize images, understand text, make predictions, and even power self-driving cars. TensorFlow is fast, scalable, and supported by a large community. Plus, it works with both CPUs and GPUs, so it is great for training large models. We need to open Anaconda prompt, and then we can create a new environment as this will help TensorFlow and dependencies isolated. So we can create a new environment by writing this command conda create n, and then we can name our new environment as TensorFlow environment or TFN. Now we need to activate this environment by writing the command conda activate TFN. So we have activated the environment. From base we have changed the environment to TensorFlow. So after changing the environment, we need to install TensorFlow by writing this command conda install c conda forge TensorFlow. So now we need to verify the installation. So we need to write Python, and then we need to write import TensorFlow as TF. So after writing print TF version, we have got a version like 1.14.0. So this means that we have successfully installed TensorFlow and we are good to go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. See you in the next one.